Utah Assistive Technology Teams. The purpose and process. This video was produced by the Utah Assistive Technology Teams with support through a grant from the Utah State Office of Education. Students with disabilities sometimes need and are entitled to special equipment and services to ensure that they have access to a free and appropriate public education. Assistive technology includes both devices and services. An assistive technology device is any item, piece of equipment or product system, whether acquired commercially off the shelf, modified, or custom-made that is used to increase, maintain or improve functional capabilities of individuals with disabilities. These are the things that we think about in association to devices. The other part of assistive technology is the service. This is just as important as the device as it assists an individual with a disability in the selection, acquisition or use of a device. The Utah Assistive Technology Teams support the school LEAs and IEP teams to evaluate, acquire and manage assistive technology for students with disabilities. IDEA mandates consideration of the assistive technology on an individualized education plan to support a child's participation in his or her least restrictive learning environment. Please visit the link above to learn more about consideration of assistive technology in a video using the quick wheel. To serve students throughout Utah, there are 28 assistive technology teams that are available to evaluate students in their own learning environment. Charter schools are now being served through UATT Central with new teams coming soon. Utah Assistive Technology Teams are interdisciplinary groups comprised of educational professionals from disciplines such as speech-language pathologists, occupational therapists, physical therapists, psychologists, and special education teachers. Teams provide assistive technology services in schools and classroom settings within their districts with the intention of enabling students with disabilities to achieve full access and participation in all educational opportunities. Services offered by the teams include individualized evaluations of the students in public schools who need assistance with individualized needs. Equipment loans. It is critical for the student to be able to trial different assistive technology to determine which tools will support the student's current educational needs. Team are then able to know what technology the student has shown success using and begin to implement that into his or her daily curriculum. Support. Teams provide strategies and ideas to assist parents and the local IEP teams as they work with students to increase independence. Training. Many devices are complex and require training which allows for the device to be programmed correctly. This is part of the service we mentioned earlier that is critical for the device to be used successfully. Low-tech devices also require training in order for the student to utilize it to its full potential. In the school setting, assistive technology can be a lifeline that provides students with equal access to information and learning. Please visit our website at www.uatt.org to find the team contact in your area to learn how to request an evaluation for a student. Video narrated by the a cappella voice, Heather.